Hello nursing students, in this video I am giving you full assignment of a stool routine test and culture. Now I start. This is the picture of this procedure in which a nurse is collecting a stool for procedure. Firstly you need A4 size paper in which make sure that put boundary on your old paper and write topic on upper side of particular page, and under the topic you write all the points. The topics given in this index that all are needed for your assignment, so start with first topic to last topics. That's the introduction topic. Write all the points which are given in this video, don't leave any points. Next topic is definition, so write it also. Next topic is purposes. That's all are important topic, don't leave any topics. Next topic is normal characteristic of faces. So write all the topics. Next topic is abnormal characteristic of faces. This is the second part of this topic, so write it also, don't leave any point. And this is the third part of this topic, so write it also. Next topic is general instructions, so write it, don't leave any point. Next topic is preliminary assessment. It is also important, so write it also. Next topic is preparation of patients and environment, so write it, don't leave any point. Next topic is equipments. These all equipments are using in this procedure, so don't leave any point, don't leave any equipments. Next topic is procedure, write it. Next topic is aftercare, so don't leave any point, write all the points. Thank you. Like this video, share with your friends and comment how it is. Thank you.